To find out the CPU and memory usage of Wordpress server reflect in Observium monitoring tools, we want to do load test with two scenarios run parallelly using Jmeter. Before we run the load test, we must configure the Jmeter based on our scenario. Okay, the first, hit homepage WordPress with the number of thread 50 users, ramp up period 1 second, loop count forever, and we do scheduler for 1 hour. And then the start time and the end time will fill when we start the load test. And then we also add HTTP header manager. Yeah, content type fill with the form URL uncoded and user agent with your agent in your PC. And then in the thread group, we add HTTP request, and then fill the field server name, the method field, and the path field. After that, we add view result tree to capture the result when we run the load test. You can see the response status and the detail of the response. And then the second scenario, add command WordPress. Yeah, we do one user only, and then the ramp up period in 1 second, loop count forever, and the scheduler in 1 hour. Yeah, because the WordPress have constraint, cannot quickly send requests parallelly. And then we also add HTTP header manager, content type, and user agent. Same with the previous. And for HTTP request, fill the server name field, the method field, and the path field with the parameters command, author, URL, email, command post ID, command parent with the value, and there is variable counter value to make it unique because WordPress does not accept the similar command, so we make it unique by the counter. So make it edit a counter, start with 1, increment by 1, and the name by the variable we insert in the HTTP request. We add the result tree to see the response and its detail. And because we want to make delay so our request can receive by WordPress server, we add test action with the delay 15,000 milliseconds. Yeah, we have tried to prove it. The WordPress server can accept our request. Yeah, after it finished, we can run it. So we run it parallelly. We hit home page WordPress, and then the add command WordPress, and then we can see the result, the HTTP response, and the details. And also for the other scenario, yeah, it's still run, as you can see. And because the load test run for 1 hour, you can see the webmin of your WordPress. The CPU and the memory is changing. Yeah, it means the load test is run to hit our WordPress server. And this information also recorded in the Observium, so we can see the whole graphic in 1 hour in Observium.